So I'm seeing here that somebody wants to give you a brand new love offer, but there's some concern. Lord, there's some concern with their finances right now. You know, somebody's trying to make sure that financially speaking, they're stable before they can give you this new love offer. And I'm seeing that, yeah, they're trying to get out of a situation. And they need to make the effort to completely get out of something that they're feeling stuck in. But also, they need to make the effort to come back towards you to give you the offer that you deserve. So, let's see what's going on, Cancers. Let's see. Bottom of the deck. Ooh, sorry, y'all, it's a glare. But I have the Ace of Cups reversed. So, somebody feels like when they give you this offer, you're not going to take it. They messed up. So let's see. See, Nine of Cups try to come out reverse. They're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. Wow, y'all, the Ace of Pentacles came out reverse and it landed right on top of finances and career. See what I'm saying? Somebody's worried about their money right now. Somebody's feeling financially unstable. It could be because of family. Someone from the past. Maybe this person has a child or children with someone, or, you know, something's going on with their money. So let's see. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be going through some type of legal situation, and that's why their money, you know, looking a little funny. But I'm seeing that they want the truth. You know, they know you want the truth. They want to give you the truth. They're trying to figure out how you feel, because ultimately it's like they want to balance things out with you, but they're trying to get this other situation together first. See what I'm saying? It's money. I feel like financially speaking, things will improve for this person. See, look at that. They want a new opportunity with you. That's the main focus right now. That's why finances and career came out for you guys, Cancer. Because, see, look, this person was being immature and childish towards you. I feel like they were being careless with their money. Look at that. Wheel of Fortune reverse. See? You see what I'm saying? This is why this person can't move forward with you just yet. Because they have to close out some type of karmic cycle, see? They got to put an end to a situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio in order to move forward with you. They definitely want to have a new beginning with you, but there's something else that they have to get out of first. See? Y'all. I can't. It's with money. They want to be content financially speaking, Cancers. They want to be with you, but there's somebody around them that's holding on to them. See? And this is why they're undecided about what to do. Tell me more. Lord, the Five of Cups just jumped straight out of my hands. Hold on, y'all. I saw it. Okay, see, it's reversed. So, this is the thing. This person definitely took some type of financial loss, bottom of the deck, because of a family situation. And they're trying to have the strength to come towards you because they know if I leave this other situation, I'm going to take a loss. But they're getting to the point where they're like, I kind of don't care anymore. Let me just do what I have to do to remove myself, see? Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody also could be dealing with a Capricorn. I have a Scorpio here. But regardless, I feel like somebody was stuck in some type of like toxic situation. But they were fearing getting out of this situation because of some type of financial loss. See? They're afraid that you don't want to be with them. But I'm telling you, this person had to end some type of relationship, commitment, marriage. There was something going on. They had to get out of it. See? This person could have been being a player. You know, and this is why they were very inconsistent with you. I feel like, yes, they want to rush in because they want to tell you what's been going on. This person's definitely been keeping some things from you. This could be them waiting for some type of important document or contract from the courts if there is a legal situation going on. Because, see, there's somebody around them that is, I'm telling you, they're taking their money. Or this is what they're fearing. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign. Tell me more. Oh, see what I'm saying? They're trying to make a decision. See, they're going slow. This person, I mean, they've been moving slow, but it's like, this is going to still take some time, guys. Could be dealing with a Virgo, but this is why they're isolating themselves, because they're having a hard time right now in this other situation. But the seeds that they planted with you, yes, they want them to grow. But see, they feel stuck. It landed right on top of the devil. I told y'all. They feel stuck in this toxic situation, this codependent situation. Somebody's obsessed. You get what I'm saying? Like, they have to get out of this situation first. And see, that's why they're having trouble trying to make a decision. How can I go back towards Cancer? Or if, you know, crosswatch, if you were dealing with a Cancer, this is what they're thinking about you. They're trying to figure this out. See, look at that. Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but I'm seeing they want to move forward with you. Look at that. Give you that new love offer, and the Hierophant jumped on top of new love. And look, This person definitely wants to give you a stable, secure love offer. But right now, they're having a hard time. So like I said, somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But they know they're going to have to speak their truth to you. They're going to have to if they want this to work. But they're afraid that once they move forward with you, you're not going to want this new beginning. See, they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you at all. Yep, they're not positive about it because, see, they left you out in the cold for a family situation. But you're still going to get an offer. They want to be with you bad, okay? See, look at that. I told you, they're going to work hard. They're going to do whatever they can to come back towards you. But see, right now, Spirit is saying they're dragging their feet. Clarify the Sun. They want happiness with you, but somebody feels like you cut them off, like you're done. For some of you, somebody has a child with someone else, or there was like a pregnancy, and they feel like if they tell you this, or if this is something that you already know, regardless, you're done. In their head, they're like, you're not going to take me back. See, because in the past, this person was being sneaky. But now they want to show you that they made a change. See what I'm saying? There's communication coming in about a new opportunity here. But it's like, 1 minute they're not frustrated, but the next minute they are, because they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a victory with you. But Spirit is saying they need to get out of their head. Could be dealing with an Aquarius here. See, they're trying to hold on to hope that they can win you back. But see, the way these two cards just came out, I told you this person's in their head. Because it's like 1 minute, they're like, okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to give you the love offer that you deserve. I want us to work through this. I want us to move forward. I'm hoping that you're going to, you know, hear me out, and we can start moving in a direction to where you're no longer looking back at my mistakes, what I've done. Like, give me another chance, please. This is what this person is thinking. But in the same breath, they're like, I know I caused an imbalance. Even though, yes, I want to be with you, I'm not so sure if you can move forward with me. You know, so I want you guys to know this person is keeping tabs on you. They're watching you from a distance. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. See, they want a new beginning with you. Card tried to jump right on my hands. They're going to have to tell you the truth. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces here. Ooh, see what I'm... Oh, the way this card came out, y'all. They're going to have to tell you the truth about this codependent situation, number one. They're also going to have to tell you the truth because this... They know y'all don't trust them, okay? They know this Cancer. They know. They know. And the thing is, they know that they're going to have to go slow. They want to give you an offer, but right now they can't. I mean, honestly, didn't I tell y'all in the beginning this is going to take some time? They can't give you the offer that you want. They can't just say, hey, I'm sorry. You know, can we please move forward? Can we just work this out? You know, I want to be with you. They can't do all of that. One, you don't trust them. Two, they still tied up in this other situation. So, and they're trying to make sure, financially speaking, things are going to improve. Because, see what I'm saying? Communication. You're going to hear from this person. You will. They're going to reach out to you. But they know that they hurt you. This person feels like you're still upset with them. See what I'm saying? Because, see, they didn't bring stability into the situation. Could have been dealing with an Aries. Even though they're frustrated, they're going to come towards you. They're going to clear away these obstacles. But right now, they're stuck. Because, see, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to fix the situation. But they want to balance things out. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius. See, they want to balance things out because they don't want you to walk away. And this person is hurting. You know, they're realizing, like damn, like, I really messed up. See, and they're going to have to make a decision. Look at that. But they're going to free themselves. So that situation that they felt stuck in, they're getting out of it. This person, I see them being single. They're going to get out. Let's see. But there's a mother figure here blocking. Because this person's going to have to cough up some money. See, that's why they're worried about their financial stability. Yes, they're going to come back to you to make things right, but they're going to have to pay someone else. Tell me more. And that's why they're worried, because they want to have this new beginning with you. They want to have that new start, but they don't know how this is going to play out with this other individual. See what I'm saying? They want to ask you out. They want to celebrate with you, but that third party is still in the way. And that's why they're moving slow. Okay? See? They had you waiting around when it came down to, you know, them trying to make a decision, making a move when it came to their finances. But now they're coming out of that, you know, they're coming out of that energy. They're coming out of being frustrated. Because, see, they want to fix your broken heart. And, see, they're going to be confident, too, when they come back towards you. But, see, right now, they're like, I don't see how things can improve because I know I basically lost my person. I lost the person that I'm supposed to be with. I'm frustrated about that. See? They're feeling like, one, you're not going to take that offer. They're like, you're not going to take it. But two, I'm telling y'all, they're worried about their financial security. Ooh, they're worried. This person stabbed you in the back. I saw it. They stabbed you in the back. Spirit is saying they're going to listen to their intuition to figure this out. Ooh, look at that. 11, 11, 11. See what I'm saying? Y'all already know whoever this is resonating for. This is your person. Hands down, whether it's a soulmate or a twin, this is your person. And they want to come back and make things right with you. And they will. See, somebody could be dealing with an air sign. But the thing is, they're going to have to communicate with you. And the looks of it, this person has had a hard time opening up, talking to you. So their communication could be very blunt, you know, and very direct. But whatever, they're going to have to talk to you because they know you're no longer reaching out. You're not saying anything. But see, they're unsure if you're going to cut them off or not. You know, this person is holding on to a lot of things that they regret doing or saying to you. Look at that. I have 2 10s. They feel like it's over. You know, some of them feel like it's over between you and him or you and her, whatever the situation is. But I'm telling you, when it comes down to this other person that they were dealing with, they're going to put an end to it because they want to come back and heal things with you. I told you, they stabbed you in the back, and look at that. They're going to take a leap. Cancer, they're coming back. They're going to take a leap to come back and fix this. So, let's see. Yeah, so bear with me because I have not touched this deck since I did the June readings. So, yeah, they're still a little slick. But we're going to get through it. Okay. Anyway. Bottom of the deck, the King of Wands. Okay. So, I'm seeing somebody's going to be very confident. So, let's see. Oh, King of Swords. The fact that I have 2 kings there. Did y'all meet somebody else? Do y'all have a decision between 2? If you don't, you might, okay? That's why somebody's going to have to be very direct. But y'all like, I don't want this person to pass. I'm done. I cut them off, see? Look at this. I put an end to it. There's a death card. I'm done. This person has put me through a lot. But look. Oh, my gosh, y'all look. But the offer's still coming in. There's still an offer. What you gonna do with that offer? Let's see. Y'all looking at them like, I don't trust your offer. It's sneaky. You're sneaky. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I'm seeing, yeah, you guys made the decision. You are not taking a leap when it comes down to this person because you've been healing, you know, and it's like you want someone new. You want someone different. You're tired of going through this cycle, and guess what? You're realizing the truth about this person, this connection, and you're like, I'm tired of going through it. Tell me more. But the truth is, you're putting it to an end. See, there's a lot of communication coming in. Tell me more. Cancer, look at that. You're moving on. You're like, nope, I'm good. I'm not dealing with this person anymore. I'm tired. Y'all, why did the King of Wands just try to jump out of my hands? You see what I'm saying? I feel like there's somebody else. Yeah, look, you're moving on because you're like, you know what? I want balance in my life. I don't have time to keep going through this nonsense. Tell me more. And by you moving on, I feel like you learned your lesson because, yeah, something's getting ready to take place really fast for you. But you got to make a decision. You know what? This person, I told you, they're going to try to come back. And you got to make a decision. Even though, yes, I'm seeing you're going to be moving on, but I don't feel like that's going to be the end. They're going to come back again. You know, that could be the communication here telling you that they want to move forward with you. And see, you're like, you would like for things to improve, but the next minute you're like, no, because you were being sneaky one too many times. You stabbed me in the back one too many times. I don't want to deal with you. See, the way the world came out, it's like you would love to have a new opportunity with them because this is something that you always envisioned. You've wanted it, but at the same time, you're like, no, I think I'm good. See, you're in your head now. Now you guys are like, you're the runner. And now this person's going to have to chase after you because, see, one minute you're positive, but the next minute you're not. 5 more, please. Yeah, you don't see yourself building with this person because they repeatedly put you in some type of third-party situation. Oh, my God. What is this? The Hangman? It was. Yeah, you're having a hard time right now. See what I'm saying? You don't see yourself having a new beginning with this individual. And you are a strong man. You're a strong woman. And now you're like, you know what? I have the strength to do what I need to do, which is walk away. Look at that. You're healing. You're healing. You're like, no, You're not going to take me back down this road because, see, this person could be very manipulative, emotionally manipulative. They're quiet. They're sneaky. You're like, no, I don't even know if I can trust you. So this could be you guys walking away. Yeah, you made the decision. Didn't I tell y'all learned the lesson? I told you, cycle is done. You learned your lesson when it came back from the past. And, yes, your heart was broken. But, yeah, they're saying you're still holding on. I know I said the 20, but something said look at the bottom of the deck. You're still holding on to what? So remember, this is healing. You guys have got to heal. You're already moving in that direction, but I want you guys to keep going because, see, look at that. You got happiness coming in, 11-11. Your angels are around you. You have love coming in one way or the other. Either this person's going to get their shit together and they're going to come back correct eventually, but they're going to have to beg and plead to get you back. Or you have somebody brand spanking new coming in, but Spirit is saying you had to let go of that third party situation. You had to remove yourself because it wasn't good. And now you guys, you're confident. You're being positive. You know what it is that you want, and no one is going to stand in your way. Okay, Cancer. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Well, I hope you all enjoyed your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates.